Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with WSPL. This is Jeff. We're going to do a fun take on Rice Krispie squares because I'm your resident cereal expert. So it's perfect for this hot weather because you don't need to turn on the oven, which is great so it doesn't heat up your home. So first our ingredients are about 6 cups of Rice Krispies. We have another 6 cups of marshmallows. We put a little extra to make them extra gooey. We got about 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. And we have about a stick of butter, which is about 1/2 cup of butter. And so our first step we're going to do is we're going to start warming up our pot, and then we're going to brown the butter in it. Melt the butter over medium-low heat. Make sure to watch closely as the butter melts. It will foam and then turn a golden brown color. Once the butter is brown, you can add the marshmallows, but first turn off the heat, then put in the marshmallows and keep stirring. If you need to turn the heat up a little bit just to melt the marshmallows some more, that's okay. Just keep stirring till it's a nice gooey consistency. Add the salt and the Rice Krispies and just keep stirring them in. Be careful, I may have spilled some Rice Krispies while stirring, but I edited that out. So just keep stirring till it's nice and gooey consistency, and just make sure it's all mixed in nicely, and then you're going to put it into your pan. And when you scoop it out into the pan, just try to make it as flat as possible. It's a little tough, but just try your best. So now it's all flat in the pan, and so we're just going to let it cool for about an hour, and then we're going to cut it up and enjoy our Rice Krispie treats. And when it's all done, it should look something like this. Thanks for watching.